So hi guys, my name is Siddhant and welcome back to a new video. And as you must have already seen in the title, that we are going to learn how to use Google Ads for promoting your business, for growing your business, for acquiring customers for your business, right? So it can be any kind of business. It can be a local offline store or it can be an online website as well. What I've generally found on YouTube when I search Google Ads is that many content creators putting out videos on how to use Google Ads to get views on their YouTube channel, to get subscribers and all those things. But Google Ads is of immense importance when it comes to promoting business, offline business, online business, or just creating brand awareness, right? So if you want to create an online presence, if you want to do SEO for your business or for your website, then Google Ads is a great platform. So it is a paid platform, but it can give you exceptional results if you know how to target your audience, if you know how to do keyword research and all those things. So in this video, I'm going to teach you all those things on how to target your customer audience, on how to do keyword research, on how to research your competitors as well, right? Because competitor research is very important. So let's start with the video. So hi guys, speaking of Google Ads is an amazing platform through which you can promote anything and everything on internet. It can be your business, it can be content, it can be just anything that you want to promote, right? And just put out in front of people on the internet. However, what I'm going to do in this video is that I'm going to divide this video into two halves, right? So the first half would be the things that you should know before creating the campaign, and the second would be the things you should know during creating the campaign, right? And then also I'm going to show you just briefly on how you can create the campaign by going on Google Ads, right? So now moving to the first point, what should you know before starting a Google Ads campaign, right? So the first thing you should know is that can you afford it, and what is your marketing budget or strategy, right? Google Ads is a paid platform, right? So you need to put in money before you see some results, right? So we all know that if you run ads worth rupees 2000, then Google gives you back those 2000 rupees. So however, you need to first put in 2000, and 2000 is not going to be of great use if you are looking to promote your startup, your product or anything, right? So you need to put in money, right? And sometimes targeted marketing can prove to be expensive, right? If you want to target a specific consumer base, specific country, specific language, specific affordability, specific strata of the society, so it can sometimes prove to be expensive. However, let me tell you that it is of exceptional use. It can give you exceptional results, it can give you amazing conversions in terms of sales, and it can give you amazing traffic in terms of your website traffic as well, right? So if you're not sure about how much you are willing to spend, then you can just conduct a research on what is the average cost per clicks in your industry, right? So you can just go onto Google, you can search through various reports where you can find what is the average cost per click for your industry, because the average cost of click for fashion would be different, for medical purposes it would be different, for automotive industry it would be different. So you need to find out what is the average cost of clicks in your industry, and then you can decide that how many clicks or what kind of conversion you want, and that would give you the amount of budget that you will need to promote that campaign. So this simple cost benefit analysis can paint a clear picture of like what a baseline success would look, and what is the potential of success that you can achieve if you promote your product or your business or your services through Google Ads campaign. Now the second thing that you need to understand and keep in mind is that this is a time consuming process, right? So once you start with the campaign, you cannot just end it in 2 days or 3 days, right? Running the campaign, it takes time, and also you need to keep on improving your campaigns. You need to keep on making some changes in the campaigns, because if you see that initially it is taking like 10 paisa per click or 10 paisa per view, and if you see that the views are not coming, so this is a very time consuming process. So the third thing that you need to understand, that is Google Ads the right platform to promote your business, right? So there are many platforms out there that you can use to promote your business, but if you're selling something that is easy to sell virtually, if you're selling something that just sells on how attractive it looks, then you can use Google platform as an online platform. But there are also multiple social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, where you can sell whatever kind of business or product or content you want to promote, right? So it is very important to understand whether Google Ads at first is the right platform to promote your business or not. Now we have understood that what you should know before creating the campaign. Now moving to the second part, that is what you should know while running a Google Ads campaign. So the first thing is that keyword research is very important. Now keyword research is very important if you want to optimize the SEO for your website or for your business, right? So if you want that whenever people search your category or something related to your product, so if you want that they should see your website or your company link on the top or in the first few pages of Google, then you need to do proper keyword research. You need to do SEO, right, to optimize the search. Keyword research also enables you to understand whether people are searching for that product or not, right? So if only just 15 people are searching for that product online, then it indicates that it is not a big market. And also promoting these kinds of niche markets is not much effective on Google Ads, right? So you need to research that what are the number of searches regarding that industry or that product online, right? So you should first find out that how many people are searching for that keyword, right? On monthly basis, on daily basis. You need to find out the volume to get an idea of what kind of traction can you expect once you run the campaign, right? So there are multiple ways with which you can do this keyword research. However, there's one tool that can help you with this task and which is very helpful, that is called SEMrush, right? So I'll show you here on the screen that you can see that on this platform you will get each and everything related to that keyword. So as you can see on the platform that if I search for running shoes for men, right, so you can see the volume of search for US, you can see the volume of search for India, you can also see cost per clicks, you can see the total number of results, you can see the keywords that are most searched, you can see the local SEO, you can see the keyword difficulty, you can see the questions, the keyword variations, the related keywords that are being asked. You can also see the websites that are first shown if you search for these keywords. So this tool is of great use if you are looking to do keyword research, and this will give you the volume of search, that is the estimated amount of times the given keyword has been searched, right? So if the volumes are relatively high, then that's a good sign. That means the users are searching for that keyword. And if the volume is low, then I think Google Ads don't work that great if you're looking to target just a small niche, right? Now moving on to the second point that I told you, that competitor research. Doing competitor research is very important, and it is a great way to uncover that whether people in the same field or providing same kinds of products or services are creating ads to promote their products, right? So if competitors are bidding on some terms, if competitors are using some keywords, then that means that those keywords or those terms have good amount of traction, and that's the reason the competitors are using those words to pull traction or to have traffic on the website, right? So competitor research also gives you the data that how much your competitor is spending monthly just to promote that ad campaign, right? So it will also give you a perfect picture of approximately what kind of budget you need to have to run that campaign, right? So at first what you can do is that you can just search anything online. So suppose if I search antivirus software on Google, right, so you can see on the screen that Norton antivirus protection software McAfee are being promoted on the top ranks, right? So that means that these are the keywords, or these are the campaigns that are being run by those antivirus software companies. So like this, you can search for anything in your industry or related to your product and find out that whether there are some ads that are already being run by your competitors. And once you get an idea of how many campaigns are being run or what are the keywords that are being used for these campaigns, you can use this amazing software called as the SpyFu, which is a very great software if you want to find detailed information on keywords or budget of your competitors, right? So just to show you on the screen, you can see here that I have searched for Biographies.com. You can put in any kind of website you want in your category or your industry, right? And then you can see that what are the organic keywords, estimated monthly SEO clicks. You can see the ranks. You can see the organic competitors like the Sold Store, BeYoung.in, Agio.com. What is the shared organic keywords? What is the market share, right? You can also see the top keywords, the paid keywords, the top pages, and all those things. So Spyfo is really a great tool to uncover lists of keywords that your competitors are using, the budget that they are spending on a monthly basis, and that would definitely help you in creating or optimizing your own Google Ads campaign. So after listening to all this and seeing all this, if you still feel that okay, Google Ads and all the social media platforms where you can create ad campaigns are very much expensive and you're not able to spend that much amount, then let me tell you that even today the most effective marketing tool, or for generating leads, the most effective tool used is email marketing, right? So you can see on the screen that email marketing is 73% effective when it comes to driving leads for you, right? So at the end of the day, if you can't use Google Ads or any social media platforms, then I would still recommend you to use email marketing, right? And the good news is that if you just want to do email marketing, you can do it on marketing platforms like MailChimp, or you can also do it on Google Ads. So you can see here that once you go into the Google Ads, you can see that there's an option of Gmail campaign, right? So here you can just create a Gmail campaign wherein Google Ads will send emails to your targeted customers, right? So that's it for today, and I hope that you must have learned something related to using Google Ads for your business, right? So in this video, I'm not going to show you how to create Google Ads for your business, right? Because it is something that comes next after you do all the keyword research, competitor research, and it is not that tough of a job if you are done with all those previous things, right? And you can find many videos. However, if you still want a video on how to create Google Ad campaigns for your business, then you can comment down in the comment section below and I'll definitely make it for you. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the video, and if you like the video, then do hit the like button, share, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet, and do hit the bell icon to receive the latest notifications of my latest videos on time. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care. Thank you.